Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pri. I hope you're fine. I hope you're keeping warm. I hope you are being kind to yourself and to others. So it's on a Saturday and I woke up at 7:50. I did the washing and I'm trying to teach myself to not touch my phone immediately I wake up. I would rather journal, talk to the universe, say a prayer, talk to my green babies rather than doing the phone stuffs. So first of all, I did my hair and my routine has gotten so easier. Second of all, I'm going to the spa. Yay, I'm so happy. I have a waxing appointment and it's been 7 months since my previous visit, and I know you're asking yourself, who stays with the hair for 7 months? I'm not even ashamed. I'm not. And this one is my 7 months growth. It's not even much. And one thing about me, I would rather stay for a year or two with the hair than shaving, using that Kadini to shave. And I don't know why no one talks about how it gets rough to touch when you shave. I was saved from the shackles of shaving. I would never shave. I will never shave. Okay, and so I'll do the armpits, a Brazilian and a vagicio, and I don't know if I'm the only one who, after getting waxed, I will come home, stand in front of the mirror, strip and stare at myself because the view gets so pretty. Yeah. Another thing, I'm on a weight gaining journey, and gaining weight is so hard, very hard. So at the moment I'm weighing 48 kgs. So my goal is to reach at 50. So I'm trying so hard to feed because I'm such a poor feeder. So this was my body some time back and I'm trying to get back to it. Okay, I got this unga and I'm hoping it helps. So I don't know, but I'll keep you informed. Sijaiona.
Zinaitwa balsams. They are not hanging plants. Unaweza iweka hata kwa hanging basket. But haita hang, itafanya kupotea kwa hiyo basket. Hii ndio golden shower. Hii inatamba alafu inatoa maua za orange.